Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will teach you how to earn passive income in this website. So this is a Bitcoin mining, so stay tuned. So first let's click this start mining. So guys, here it is. So this is their dashboard. I have a 0.0001 BTC and my account hash is 2 terahash. Mining per second is 60.000616 BTC, and this is welcome to mining dashboard. Coin mining farm platform is easy way to start BTC mining. You can test our platform on free 1 terahertz miner. Follow this menu, add miner, retest, and activate your free service. You can see here all the information. Then let's go to their add miner. Here it is guys. So here the plan. If you want this 2 hours for 1 equivalent to 1 terahertz gift. Power is 1 terahertz. Total mining you can gain in 2 hours is 0.00057 BTC. It is limited only for 2 hours, so it is free. So if you click this, you will go to the dashboard again and it will start mining. Next is this free test, and the difference between two is this is for 1 month and this is for 2 months only. So you can earn daily 0.00737 BTC. So in the next plan you will deposit amount of 50, but I don't suggest you to deposit here like this. So let's go to our investment. Next is my miners. Here you can see your progress, the charts and the ups and downs of the graph. And this is my plan history. 2 hours 1 terahertz gift. So it will expire in 1 hour and 44 minutes. So I also get this free test of one month. So here it is guys. So it is totally free. So here it is guys. If you want to deposit and if you want to withdraw, okay, let's go to support. So here there is support if you have a problem. So you can go here and tell them. Next is settings. Here you can change your password and you can enable the 2-factor authentication for your account to be more secure. Next is let's go to dashboard again. So that is it guys. So if you want to earn free BTC in this website, you can earn it even if you are offline, so there is no downside of this guys. So it is free, so you don't have to worry. So click the link in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And thank you for watching.